Jeremy's getting us started. 2017 limited entry bull elk hunt.
Gotta make it happen. Make dreams happen.
Oh yeah, it's happening. Let's see what happens. First big bull we spotted. Here he comes.
Not today.
Jeremy's passing for today. Nice bull.
He's not sticking around though. He's not that wide. He's about as wide as Chris is.
Yeah,
You don't shoot. Are we gonna catch this?
Day 2. Let's see what happens.
But you know which clearing I'm talking about, the one that's
Oh yeah, the one right in the middle.
Yeah.
Let's go get him.
We know exactly where that's at.
Yeah.
We were waiting all day for him to come in there yesterday. Let's roll, Brando.
Let's go. That's a small one. He's gonna try to go below the rock.
Down in the bottom on the other side where I came up and over the big flat, and the Quakey's down there at the bottom. He's up there where I was sitting in those white rocks.
Here, let's just watch him. Just watch him. Look at him. He's 340.
That's a stud bull. Ain't gonna do us no good being up here. We don't have shells.
Yep, let's go. Gotta check for blood. Even though it's pretty confident it was a mess. We're gonna go See if we can get back on him. Got big bull spotted.
2 of them. We'll take our pick, right?
Yep. Let's go over and find them and check them out. Day 3. There's the bull right there, I think. Oh, there he is, straight below us.
Yeah, I'm shooting. Stop it.
Oh, you dumped him!
Oh my God!
How big is he?
He's a pretty good looking bull. I don't know.
Good job, Jeremy. Yes. Oh, yeah.
That's the one we saw the other day.
You got him! Yeah! Good job, Jeremy.
Looked him down. He has that downward thing though.
Does he?
He does.
Dude, he was the computer, man. Good job, Jeremy!
Smoked him.
Yeah, you did.
That's a good place for him too.
Yeah.
I gotta get on the radio.
Good job.
Bull down. We got a bull down. Okay, we're gonna go down and check him out.
Yeah.
Woo! That was exciting.
Yeah, it
quite a
was.
Screamer, wasn't he?
Called him right in. He was all way down below us somehow.
He looked like a good bull. I really hope
He is a 6x6 for sure.
Look
Oh yeah, he's a 6x6. He really is.
at that thing.
Dang.
Look at that thing. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's a sweet bull right there. Would you look at that?
Dude, is that him?
The one from yesterday, isn't it?
I don't know.
He's-
No, the other one had different eye guards, but
That's still a cool bull.
yeah, it is. Look at those fronts.
He's not insane huge, but we'll take him.
Good meat right there.
That's a big sucker, right?
Yeah.
Woo! He might have been that first one we seen.
Yeah.
I'm okay with holding that.
He's
Yeah.
tall.
Look how big those seconds are. I think your uncle was saying that they saw that
I've seen
bull.
another one with another eye guards touching like that.
Mm-hmm. Right on the trail.
2017, got her done. Dreamed of this moment with Brandon for as long as we've known each other,
Oh yeah.
and I think we're pretty happy.
Yep.
I'm ready to put him in the Hall of Fame for us. He's a sweet bull. Oh, he just screaming his head off. He was about ready to come up the hill and rip our heads off for messing with him and his cows. And we sure got the best of him though.
Yep. Yeah, he started sneaking away and I saw him and he wasn't really wanting to stop, and good thing I had the bugling bull call in my mouth, the reed, and I Cow called twice and he stopped and Jeremy hammered him. I didn't even have enough time to get him on film. Good job, Jeremy.
Thank you. Till the next one, right?
Oh yeah, it'll be soon.
Let's keep at it then.
Big muley buck up next.
Yeah. Oh, those are pretty ivories. Those are sweet ivories, dude.